Hello dear traders, you are watching the weekly link up on InstaForex's TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. As usual, we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, we will try to forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. Technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. Hello Petar. The week was quite rich in events that influenced the US dollar dynamics against its rivals. Yesterday the greenback was placing the other majors under pressure, but today the US currency has dipped lower. This helped the most popular pair on Forex trade on highs. But how long will the rise last?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting upward price on the euro versus dollar. I found a broken downward channel in the background and also successful rejection from Fibonacci retracement 61.8% at the price 1.0530. So price and this Fibonacci ratio has successfully broken downward channel in the background, and again I'm expecting upward price, so my advice is to watch for buying opportunities on the dips or potentially wait for something like bullish flag or the flat base and then watch for potential breakout on the upside. The target is set at the price of 1.0820, and that level is the actually swing high from the background. So again, due to the broken downward channel in the background, successful rejection from Fibonacci retracement, watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
Let's take a look at another rather unpredictable pair, pound-dollar. In your opinion, how will the sterling move against the US dollar?
I'm expecting upward price on the GBP versus US dollar, similar like on the EURUSD. The British pound USD also, in my opinion, found the bottom, and there is a parabolic bottoming according to the 4-hour time frame. So there is a potential parabolic bottoming on the 4-hour time frame. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities. Targets are set at the price of 1.2700 and 1.2790, which is the actually Fibonacci expansion 61.8% from the most recent swings. So again, potential bottoming, also successful rejection of Fibonacci retracement to the point at 61.8, a strong upward lag in the background. There's also some divergences according to the moving average oscillator and so on. So absolutely watch for buying opportunities on dips on the British pound versus US dollar.
In early 2017, US President Donald Trump was discontent with some of the US trading partners, blaming them for deliberate currency manipulations. However, the current dynamic of the dollar-yen pair shows that Trump's concerns were in vain. Petar, what can you tell us about this pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the USD versus Japanese yen because I found a potential successful breakout of the bearish flag in the downward trend, and this is according to the 4-hour time frame. So I will not look for any buying opportunities when I see that this quite strong bearish flag actually, the price broke that, and that we may see potential retest of the low near the 111.60. So 111.60 is the swing low in the background, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities till that level. And if the price go even below, then we may test even around number 111 and so on and so on. So watch for selling opportunities on the rallies.
Throughout the trading week, market participants paid attention to the Australian dollar against its US counterpart. The Aussie greenback pair failed to hold at highs and headed downwards. Do you think the market will see the Australian currency resist the US dollar?
On the Australian dollar, US dollar, I found interesting pattern basically. There is a base on base pattern because according to the 4-hour time frame, the price formed on flat base and the price then, the price went higher out of that base, but formed another flat base just after that breakout, the first base, and that is a basically base on base pattern, and it's actually a very bullish pattern, and I'm expecting for an upward price in the Australian dollar versus US dollar. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities, then critical resistance on the Australian dollar versus US dollar is set at the price of 0.7830, which is actually the very strong high according to the daily time frame in the background. So again, watch for buying opportunities on the dips on the Australian dollar versus US dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations, and see you in a week. You've watched the weekly link up that helps traders assess the current market situation and find out analyst forecasts. This edition has been presented by me, Anna Kasatkina, and InstaForex technical expert Peter Yakimowicz. We wish you gainful trading and see you next Friday.